Hello and welcome. My name is Gabriel Avramescu and I will be your instructor for this course. Through this course I will introduce you to the penetration testing world, if you are not already familiar with it, and I will guide you through the steps required to perform such a project. I'll try to establish first a theoretical foundation, and then we will move on to demos and exercises. But first of all, let me tell you a little bit about myself. I have over 8 years experience as an instructor for networking and security courses, and I have several certifications related to computer security and audit, networking, operation systems, and virtualizations. Furthermore, I have a bachelor in computer science and a master in computer security. I work as an IT security consulting for a multinational company with the main task as a penetration tester for web applications and network environments. As a final word, I hope you will enjoy this course, and I'm open to your feedback and advices how to improve it. Thank you.